live on Quiltville.
You are?
You are.
That is true.
I love your pink. You have inspired me. I need a pink one now.
What's the pink?
Like, that is the coolest pink fabric ever.
Here, my box are down there.
Oh, we gotta see them. We gotta see them. I did cheddar, but I'm loving that pink. Aww, cute. Super cute. Yeah, that's good. The quiet, hardworking group over here.
You can probably tell mine. It's lame.
I like yours. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is.
There it is. You
There
see?
it is,
You can't
yeah.
see it. Wait, let me
It's like,
straighten it out for you.
yeah.
It's lost in this mush.
Beautiful. Yeah, this is pretty too.
So Marty's is nice.
There, I don't know. I don't think you can make an ugly one of these. You could not.
I got it at Sprouts. You have to, no, it's not bad. It's like a raspberry lemon. Oh, it's not bad. You gotta watch it though. It's nice. They're at the very top. Did you try the celery juice? I hope that wasn't my video.
I better go find Bonnie so they can wave at Bonnie.
Oh, this side, but nothing here. Okay. And then we'll trim those to go with that.
That's what I'm not sure.
Yep, that's what I'm doing right here. So the
Wave,
first
Bonnie,
thing
you're
we're
live
gonna
on Quiltville Studio.
Hi everybody! What do you mean we're live?
I made it live. I've never done it. We'll
Live,
see.
but I don't do a lot of live on the studio because I'm afraid I'm going to look stupid.
No,
But we
you're
hope
awesome.
You're having a great day, everybody. We're having a great time in Phoenix. This is our Serpentine web class. We've got 53 in here. What is that? So, yay! See you later. Behave. Or not. Okay.
Wave, BJ.
All right. So let me grab
Do it live. Tell them you're live on Facebook and everybody cheers.
Right. Hey, you guys, you're live on Quiltville's Open Studio. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Good, I'm behind you.